Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Alejandra Montañez, and today I'm gonna talk about the artificial intelligence. Yeah, I made this presentation for you. Give me just a moment while I'm searching it. Okay, there we are. So, in this case, I called it as artificial intelligence. Is it an advantage or maybe it's destroying us? That is the real question. So, of course, we have different perceptions about this crucial and debatable topic that is artificial intelligence because we have the parents and the adults' perception, yes, and of course, by the other hand, we have the students and maybe the teacher's perception, yeah. So, for example, the parents is saying, "No, I'm not able to that. I can't believe that artificial intelligence is in my house right now because this one is going to destroy my children. The artificial intelligence is just creating, but for my children just being lazy, for they don't do anymore their homeworks or their tasks. So I'm not allowing that this tool aroused to my house or something like that. Yeah. But by the other hand, we have the children or maybe the students in this case that is asking like, hey, or that is saying actually like, the artificial intelligence is crucial for me because it's helping me a lot at the moment of making my homeworks, or they give me some ideas for I can get for I can give some crucial, some important task that my parents or my teachers or my tutors are asking to me. So in this I'm going to debate about a little bit about that. So let's get started. So in this case, this is gonna take some time, sorry. So we have this question that is like, how will artificial intelligence help students learn better in the future? So in this case, I think that the artificial intelligence will help a lot because if maybe the student is well trained, yeah, well trained of how can these people use their artificial intelligence. What I mean with that, so because some students are kind of lazy, that I just like to copy and paste because they say no, they are perfect, this is a perfect answer, so I'm just gonna copy and paste and I've done with my homework. No, that's not the idea. So in this case, the idea is that they take the advantage for the artificial intelligence. For this one could give you like skills, yeah, for reaching your goals. For example, you're learning a new language. I don't know, whatever, English, Italian, Portuguese, whatever of those. So maybe you can with artificial intelligence that exists already many. It exists ChatGPT, Magic School, you.com, many of those. They can give you some steps, and this is just going to be like the path that you could follow at the moment of learning or acquire some information. For example, I want to search how can I getting better my speaking. So the artificial intelligence is going, okay, so first you can watch some movies. So I just need to program, okay, I'm gonna watch this movie that I really like it, but I'm just watching it in Spanish, so I need to program it or I need to search it in the language that I want to learn. In this case will be whatever, English, French, etc. Yeah, another step could be, so like maybe you can go to this website, to the other one. So what's my point here? That we as humans, we need to take care, or not take care, take advantage of all the steps, all the benefits that artificial intelligence could give to us. So that will be one of they're helpful, yeah, because in the past was so more difficult at the moment, so more is was so more difficult at the moment are searching a new task or a new challenge because the internet doesn't exist. Maybe just exists books, so maybe we're just going to the library and that's it. Yeah, nowadays it's so much easier to find information, to find a lot of resources that is going to help us. For example, the artificial intelligence. So, like for me, that will be the kind of the answer. Yeah. So the second question that I have right here is, what new tools might the teachers use of artificial intelligence? So in this case, me as I'm becoming a teacher and I'm working right now in a language academic, yeah. For me, the tools that I can use a lot and I'm already using it, it's Magic School. Magic School is like an artificial intelligence that is going to help me with many aspects. So, for example, okay, I want to make an activity from this video, so please help me. So I just created an activity and I just decided, okay, this is going to work. This isn't work so much because that is not the goal that I want to search for. So I'm not searching for, yeah. So in my case, I'm just using it for my benefits, yeah. For example, I use so much the ideogram, that is an artificial intelligence that creates image according to the situation that I will type. Yeah. So that will be kind of the tools because I'm well trained of how can I use the artificial intelligence. Yeah. So for me, that will be one of the crucial things. So just focus on what will be the goal that you want to trade in, and artificial intelligence is the tool. Maybe maybe in the future, who knows, we will have created as a maybe an assistant that is a robot that is showing some tips for us, or maybe is going to help us or for teaching to our students different kind of topics: English, maths, biology, chemistry, whatever of those. Maybe what will be what this one will be one of the tools about the future. um, Tools like androids or robots, assistant robots. Yeah. For example, the game. I forgot the name. Um, okay, sorry, I forgot. I know that it's a game that is saying something like that. Is there just robots that are going to help in some aspects to different, again, in this case, careers, such as teachers, engineers, architect, etc. So for me, that will be one: artificial intelligence, or maybe the robots in the future. Now, in this case, will AI make learning funnier or more difficult? So, as I just said, it depends on how well trained are you in the artificial intelligence. That's all I can say. Yeah, because the artificial intelligence is like a robot, it's technology, so it doesn't have um, the human thing, our humor. It doesn't have our perception as maybe real things or real beings in this case. So maybe the artificial intelligence will help us, like, okay, you can do this activity, yeah, but it's you just need to get into the activity and make your mark. Yeah. So for example, I remembered that one day I was searching an activity for non-relative clauses. So in this case, I was blocked of the day, and artificial intelligence. Okay, I need to ask. In this case, Magic School. I don't remember if it was Magic School or ChatGPT. And I said, please help me with this activity, and it needs to be funny. It needs to be so much funny. Okay, so in this case, this showing me like the students needs to be a tourist guide, so they need to create like a special of a budget or whatever of those. So it was so fantastic because with one just indication, I just realized, or I just made my class so much funnier. So it depends. of how well trained are you. As well, because we are the humans, they are not. This is just technology. So we need to know how what the technology will help us. Yeah. Okay, so in this case, how could artificial intelligence change the way we go to school or study? Actually, I think that they are changing it right now, because in the past was so more uncomfortable way. For example, in Bogota, like Transmillennials or buses, or maybe just even taxis. It was so more. It was much more dangerous than applications that we are using right now, such as Uber, Didi. So for me, this is a creation by the technology, right? Because the humans or the humanity, it's always changing for getting better our quality of life. Yes. So actually, the artificial intelligence can get involved with these apps. How? Maybe the artificial intelligence will can create like a GPS. Yes, maybe, why not? Of that will show to the student or to the person who takes the road, or to ask for the road, saying maybe some roads that it will be, in the case that you feel like danger, and maybe you can indicate to the driver, okay, you can go this way or you can go to the other way. Yeah, because the artificial intelligence could indicate you what's the better way. Yeah. Or maybe nowadays we are living in the insecurest, or the more insecure era, that the most insecure era that we are ever lived. For example, um, I think that I can be stolen anywhere. Yes. So maybe the artificial intelligence could contact directly in the future, maybe, I don't know, 5, 10, I hope less than 10 years, an app that, okay, I feel so insecure, so I just need to type a number, and maybe in the corner I will, a police station will be arriving for me, or the police car is waiting in front of me. I don't know, something like that. For the artificial intelligence, if we know how can we manage it, so it will be so helpful. So in spite of what everybody said, that artificial intelligence, it's not working. For me, actually, it does. I have some students, yes, because as I just said, I'm a teacher right now, that are using artificial intelligence in a good way. For example, they're searching, okay, I'm not understanding this topic, so how can I searching for it? Okay, artificial intelligence, okay, you can go to test English, you can go to this website, or maybe you can do these activities by day. So my students are creating new hobbies because of the artificial intelligence. So I think if we are more intelligent at the moment of using the technology, we will do it. I know that we will do it. Yeah. And final, so what should schools do to use artificial intelligence safely and well in the future? So, education. In this case, we need to entrain the people, the parents, the students, the teachers. How can we use the artificial intelligence in a good way? Yeah, because it doesn't matter if we are if we're using artificial intelligence, but in a bad way, saying, yeah, okay, copy and paste, that's it, I've done, so I'm going to migrate. No, you need to search for it. So in this case, we need to take classes, we need to have trainings, to have coaches that teach us how can maybe we use this tool. Because I just said this is an important and a crucial way of how can we use it, or how can maybe the humanity will develop in the future. Yes. So that's all I can say about the artificial intelligence. I hope that you really like it, because I enjoy a lot. I really enjoy a lot making this video. So have a nice night, and thank you for watching me. Bye bye.